from education to housing and development, where a total of 212 homeowners under the Lagos Home Ownership Mortgage Scheme have received their exit certificates after completing the 10-year payment of their apartment. The General Manager of Lagos State Mortgage Board, Mr. Bayawa Forsyth, who presented the exit certificates to the beneficiaries, says the state government remains committed to the provision of affordable homes.
It's the second edition of the exit certificate ceremony for mortgagors of Lagos Home Ownership Mortgage Scheme. The event marks the completion of their 10 years mortgage, and the beneficiaries are here at Neka House, Alausa Ikeja, to receive their documents for their apartments. The Lagos State Home Ownership Mortgage Board scheme, well known as Lagos Homes, is spread across the 5 divisions of the state and has been in existence for over 2 decades, with an intention by the state government to reduce housing deficits in Lagos.
To come forward and do this. Thank you very much.
The General Manager of the Lagos State Mortgage Board, Mr. Bayawa Forsyth, who is overseeing the mortgage scheme, commends homeowners for their prompt payments and assures those who are yet to benefit from the scheme of more allocations before the end of the year.
This policy was born out of great insight, far-sightedness, and deep sense of responsibility of governance, being one of the pillars of the present administration in the Teams Plus agenda, as well as driving force of every administration in the state since the year 1999. Please permit me to appreciate the President of Nigeria, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, who came up with the Lagos Master Plan during his administration as Executive Governor of Lagos State between 1999 and 2007. His initiative of housing for all gave birth to what we are all enjoying today. A repayment for an apartment in a Sir Michael Otedola scheme, Odoragunshi Ekpe, is as low as 15,000 naira per month. Oh, yes. You want to give us a round of applause? Yeah, we sold that apartment, the room and parlor, for 1.5 million. You couldn't have got it anywhere. Yes. And the repayments was 15,000. I remember the equity contribution then was 75,000 naira. Yes. Nowhere in Nigeria would you get something like this. So I'm proud to be the General Manager, CEO of Lagos. For a 3-bedroom in Igbogbo, Prince Abiodun Ogunleye, the equity contribution was as low as 400,000 naira. Yeah, keys were handed over to the beneficiaries after paying that 500,000 naira, and the value of that property, the price was 8 million. We still have it, yeah, we still have people making repayments very soon. The remaining balance is spread for 10 years, no matter, despite the value of the naira, our interest rate remains the same. Remember, the Lagos State government remains committed to providing affordable homes to reduce this housing deficit. We look forward to continuing seeing more beneficiaries of Lagos Homes. As we await more allocations from these schemes, Odonosa in Agbawa, Ibeshe Phase 2 in the Ikorodu Division, Shangotedo Phase 2, Ajara, and the Dale schemes in Badagry Division. It is our firm belief that very, very soon it will be ready for allocation.
Partners of Lagos State Mortgage Board in charge of insurance payment, as well as the state agency who provides mortgage for property ladder, encourage the people to continue with insurance payments.
Now that you are done with the payment, it's going to, I will still advise you that you should still continue with the insurance, because the importance of insurance on schemes like this cannot be overemphasized. Insurance generally is just to provide you a kind of support, protection against financial loss. If anything happens to the property and it's not insured, that means the money you have to cough out to go and get such property again is so high.
At LBIC, we were partners with LMB on this journey. We are the mortgage, we are the CBN licensed mortgage institution that facilitated the mortgage process for LMB. That was how we became involved. And so we are dealing with you every step of the way. So we're partners in progress, and we're also happy and proud that we are where we are today with you.
Some of the beneficiaries, including a Channels television staff, Shola Shoyele, could not hide their excitement for the successful journey of the payment completion.
And what started as a joke through a friend is now a reality today. And I want to especially thank myself and my family for taking that decision, because some of the people that we all got that information from are still paying rent today, even twice or three times. And I want to also thank BRF for starting this program.
It was a journey of resilience. We had to stick with it. I remember there were times that I was faltering in my payments, and the management will reach out and say, oh, you can pay twice in a month if it was. I mean, it was just a journey of resilience. Like someone had said earlier, it was discipline. It was a lot of sacrifice. And I want to thank the management for helping us, for the words of encouragement, for always reaching out even when we were faltering. And I also want to thank the governor for sticking with this. I mean, I remember that when we took the ballot, it was during Governor Fashola's term. And if this governor had not stuck with this, we wouldn't be here now. So I'm grateful that we're here. I'm grateful that we finally completed this journey. I'm grateful that we can finally say that we are homeowners with our exit certificates in our hands. Thank you very much, everyone.
I'm grateful for this because, I mean, I never thought I was going to own a home at the point when I was making that declaration that I'm not going to pay rent again. And it happened, and I'm glad that Lagos Home was part of this journey.
212 homeowners from Muftau Olatunji Amzati Lupeju scheme, Anthony Enaoro Lagos Homes, Adetoun and Olaito Mustafa Ojokoro scheme, as well as Surulere Lagos Homes have all received their exit certificates and are now proud owners of their property made possible through the Lagos State Housing Initiative.